Yeah. So if you replace, so you can replace the stud at the top hat?
Yeah, I could just beat them out and replace it with nuts and bolts.
All right, so here in the new shop car Miata build that replaced the Z, and it's weird problems. So how much camber's on the car? 17, and he wants more camber. First thing, the coilovers in this are super tiny, and the brand is Broadway static, and they do not make them anymore. The thing is so low. They're at max height, right? They're not lowered. Those things, you've got them lift them as high as they go, correct? And the car is pretty much undrivable. Come on, it's undrivable. Can't get it out of the garage without it dragging. There's scrape marks that prove it. You've got to figure out a way to get either more camber so that you can drive it. The body's in, this looks really good. This looks really good. The fitment here in the rear is nice. So have you figured out the issues with the front fenders yet?
I think I want to get it driving first, but I think I can just radius and like I do the Z.
What? You mean just like roll the fenders and pull them out, or cut fender?
Well, I mean like shave rather than hold them.
So cut along the top.
Rather than rolling the flange, I'll probably just cut it. I'm just shaving them. I don't know if I'll like arch it or not. I don't want to. I want to be able to put this back to stock if I want to get rid of it one day.
What about, do you remember the blue Miata that we had where the turn radius was built through here?
Yeah. I don't think my issue is up the side, so.
Issues at the top?
Yeah. The wheels are too wide. More camber would fix it.
More camber. So what's going on with the toe arms? That's the next issue?
Well, with all I have extended lowers in the front and shortened rears in the back. And with the extended lowers, the stock tie rods are too short. So I extended them. They are extended. I just don't know how much I trust my own welds.
So that was, the next step was?
Figuring out the safest way to do this. Yeah. This is three nuts welded onto a stock tie rod. Which works. It looks nice, but I don't know if it's strong enough.
I think the coupler's a better idea. What are you doing? Are you putting it on the ground?
Yeah.
Are you attempting to prove me that
Yeah, I'm gonna drive it.
you're gonna drive it? Okay, let me just point out that the blocks are so that the jack will come out. Is the bodywork all done now?
Rust is all fixed. I still got dents and stuff, but all the rust is fixed, yeah.
That's kind of... Oh, God. Do you have no more wood out here?
I've only got really big pieces. I don't know where my small ones were.
Well, the next time you come to my place, grab some blocks because there's way too many at my house. Ow.
To get the rear wheels on and off, I have to drop the shocks.
Just to remove the wheels.
Yeah. I didn't have that issue on the Miata.
So, let me get this right. The jack won't come out of the diff.
Now I'm on the sway bar, I think.
You need wood. I thought you didn't have any. Turn them the other way. Turn them this way.
What?
That way you don't have to drive clear over the whole length of the wood.
I'll just pull them out. I got the, for whatever reason, I still got one of those. What do you call that? Hitch receiver?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what this car would ever tow, but.
Are you pulling these blocks out on this side too?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's on the ground. How's the fitment?
It's not done.
Is it touching?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's touching. It looks good. How close are you to the ground?
Touching?
Touching. That's where all this is from. All the scrapes are from dragging it out of here.
It's a neutral.
It's... I think you're on the ground.
I don't think anything important is on the ground.
What do you mean nothing important's on the ground?
Just frame rail.
You know all that like stuff that you use to turn the wheel and stuff, that's like, that's all important stuff, right? It's one thing if you're trying to take it from a trailer to a show, but you're gonna drive this thing.
I can raise it, so. I really wanted to drive it today.
If you add camber, the twist of the wheel should bring, the wider the wheel, should raise the car, correct?
That wasn't why I wanted the camber, that was to fix the fender issues.
I don't know. I like it. Work in progress. You're just dragging it back and forth.